Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to select your pronouns on the fandom.com website. But first I just want to mention don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website on your device, and after that you should tap on this profile button down below, then click on view profile. Go to this button again, this profile button, and tap on my preferences. After that, click on user profile, which is the first option at the top, and then scroll down, and here you can select from 3 pronouns: they, she, or he. So select how would you like to be described, tap on the relevant one, and then this preference will be updated. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.